Happy New Year to everyone. We hope this year will be better than 2020. And before we enter into this year and start to do the same things we have done every year, let's just see what different things we can do and how we can improve this year and our life.
Productivity. You might have heard this word before or might not. But productivity is using your time, energy, and attention effectively to achieve your goal. Today, I'm going to discuss 3 tools you can use to improve your productivity. Number 1, bullet journal. A bullet journal is one of the best productivity tools discovered by Ryder Carroll. It's basically a planner, but instead of buying a pre-made planner like this one, it's customized and handmade journal that you make for yourself to suit your own individual needs. What you need? For that, you will need a journal. Any blank journal will do, some colorful pens, and if you want to add some designs or doodling, you can add highlighter and washing tapes. How to make? In the first page, you can write any quote or your name or year or all these things. On the second page, usually comes the index. Then start with yearly goals. What do you want to achieve in 2021? Usually after goals, I write a letter to my future self. You can start doing too. But remember, you can only open this sealed letter when the 2021 is over and 22 will begin. After that, you can add months and write the name of the month, then the goals of month, and you can make simple trackers. For example, I'm not a big fan of exercising, so I make a tracker of exercising. So for just giving a tiny tick mark, I have to do exercise for every day. Because this tiny tick marks seems very tiny, but actually they are providing you with dopamine, which is very good for you and your brain. After monthly planning, there will be weekly planning. And at last, daily to-do lists. So in short, you have to set a goal for the year, then break it down into small steps that you can do daily. For example, if my goal is to read 24 books a year, then my monthly plan will be to read 2 books per month. So I can add it in my to-do list that I have to read at least 20 minutes every day. 20 minutes seems very small, but 24 books are a huge thing. Number 2, vision boards. A vision board is a tool used to help clarify, concentrate, and maintain focus on what truly matters to you. Literally, a vision board is any sort of board on which you display images that represent whatever you want to be, do, or have in your life. In short, it is a tool to simplify your manifestation. What you need for making a vision board? A foam board, scissors, a tape, Google, and a printer. And most important thing you need for making it is optimistic mindset. Never make a vision board when you are feeling tired, negative, or dull. You have to feel really great about the vision board because you have to feel really great about your goals. How to make? Step 1. Make a clear list of your goals. Many people underestimate this step, but it is an initial step. Step 2. Google the images. And remember about being specific. Don't just download random images. Be clear what do you want in detail. For example, if you want a house, don't just download any house images. Be clear what function do you want in your house. You need to feel that this is your house. Now, it's a time for printing. If you have a printer, you can print it out. And if you don't have printer, you can visit any nearby printing shops. After printing, you can cut the pictures and stick it on your vision board. Your board is ready, but where do you have to put it? You have to put this or hang this board somewhere where you can watch it most of the time, like bedroom, office, kitchen, beside TV. But remember, somewhere where you can watch it more often. You don't know how subconsciously this can affect you. So make sure to hang it where you can see it clearly. The most important step of this vision board is visualization. If you have read The Secret or have watched the video, then you might know the power of visualization. But remember, the universe only gives something when you gave something first. So, you have to give all the hard work for the thing you want, because law of attraction works more with the real hustle. Number 3, resolutions. We all have New Year's resolutions, right? In one study, only around 12% of people who make New Year's resolutions felt that they were successful in achieving their goals. Some of the most common resolutions include losing weight, sticking to the healthier diet, exercising regularly, making better financial choices, quitting smoking, and spending more time with family. While many people feel that they don't necessarily achieve their resolution goals, there is some good news. According to one study published in the Journal of Clinical Psychology, those who set New Year's resolutions are 10 times more likely to actually change their behavior than the people who don't make these yearly goals. Here, I'm going to share some tips with you so you can just make sure that this resolution work till the end of 2021. Number 1, choose a specific goal. Every year, millions of adults resolve to lose weight, be more productive, or get in shape. Instead of selecting such an ambiguous goal, focus on something more concrete that you can realistically set your sights on. For example, you might commit to lose 5 kgs, making daily to-do lists, or running a mini marathon. So, be specific. Number 2, limit your resolutions. While you might have a long list of potential New Year's resolutions, Richard Wiseman, a professor of psychology, suggests that you pick just one and focus your energies on it rather than spreading yourself too thin among a number of different objectives. Number 3, focus on one goal at a time. Achieving even one small goal can boost your belief in yourself. For larger goals, consider breaking them apart into manageable chunks to work on one at a time. Number 4, put time into planning. Don't wait until the last minute to choose your goal. Picking your resolution wisely and putting it expensive planning are essential part of achieving any goals. Bullet journal will be very handy over here. Number 5, start with small steps. Taking on too much too quickly is common reason why so many New Year's resolutions fail. Start with baby steps and be more consistent with these steps. Number 6, remember that change is a process. Those unhealthy, undesired habits that you are trying to change probably took years to develop. So, how can you expect to change them in just a matter of days, weeks, or months? Be patient with yourself. It will take some time, but it will definitely happen. And now, last but not the least, avoid repeating the past failures. You know yourself very well. You know how did you fail, what are your weaknesses, what mistakes you have done. So, be a little bit more observant and try not to repeat your mistakes. Learn from your mistakes. These were the 3 tools you can use to improve your productivity and your lifestyle. But if you are a more like a technological lover person, then these tools are also available virtually. For example, bullet journal. If you want a bullet journal in your computer, there are websites like Trello, Noteplan, Taskade, etc. Don't worry about the links. Links are in the description. You can directly follow them. And for vision board, there is one website called Mudzer, which is very beautiful. You can follow the link from description. Now, you are ready for achieving your goals for 2021. Best of luck and have a really wonderful life.